We have a gentleman sitting here who is the oil minister. He himself has said that he is a friend of Mr. Epstein.
No.
Sir, I'm talking about oil security, sir. Sir, I'm talking about oil national. I'm talking about economic security, sir. Sir, here I have a document which shows that his daughter has received money from George Soros.
नमस्कार, विद्या न्यूज लाइन में आपका स्वागत है। अमेरिका और इजराइल द्वारा ईरान पर किए गए हमले की वजह से पैदा हुए ऊर्जा संकट को लेकर के लोकसभा में चर्चा हुई। विपक्ष के नेता राहुल गांधी को काफी दिनों बाद बोलते हुए देखा गया। जो बीच में लोकसभा में संकट पैदा हुआ था वो इस वजह से कि विपक्ष के नेता को बोलने नहीं दिया जाता और सरकार कह रही थी या स्पीकर की तरफ से कहा जा रहा था कि आपको बोलने की आजादी है, लेकिन बोलना होगा नियमों के तहत। इसी को लेकर के स्पीकर के खिलाफ अविश्वास प्रस्ताव आया, वो खारिज हो गया। अलबत्ता राहुल गांधी को जब मौका मिला तो उन्होंने शिद्दत से यह सवाल उठाया कि अमेरिका कैसे डिसाइड कर सकता है कि भारत कहां से और किससे तेल खरीदेगा। सुनिए उन्होंने क्या कहा।
गांधी जी से
Thank you, Speaker. Speaker, sir. As everybody is aware, a war has broken out in the Middle East. The United States, Israel, and Iran are at war. This war is going to have far-reaching consequences. The central artery from where 20% of the global oil flows, Strait of Hormuz, has been closed. And this is going to have tremendous repercussions, particularly for us, because a very large portion of our oil and natural gas comes through the Strait of Hormuz. The pain has just started. Restaurants are closing. There's widespread panic about LPG. Street vendors are affected. And as I said, this is only the beginning.
नहीं, राहुल गांधी ने एप्स्टीन कनेक्शन खासतौर से पेट्रोलियम मंत्री हरदीप पुरी को भी जोड़ा और सोरोस से पैसा लेने का भी मुद्दा उठाया। उधर से नो की आवाज आती रही, लेकिन राहुल गांधी को जो कहना था वो कह चुके थे। स्पीकर ने उन्हें रोका भी और टोका भी।
The foundation of every single nation is its energy security. And I do not say this lightly, but allowing the United States to decide who we buy oil from, who we buy gas from, whether we can buy oil from from Russia or not, whether our relationship with different oil suppliers can be decided by us. This is what has been bartered. And this is a very puzzling fact for me. It has been a very puzzling fact why a nation the size of India would allow any other nation, the president of another nation, to give us permission to buy Russian oil, to decide who our relationships are with. And this has been a puzzle, and I've been trying to figure this puzzle out. And I have figured the puzzle out. And the puzzle is about compromise. We have a gentleman sitting here who is the oil minister. He himself has said that he is a friend of Mr. Epstein.
No.
Sir, I'm talking about oil security, sir. Sir, I'm talking about oil national. I'm talking about economic security, sir. Sir, here I have a document which shows that his daughter has received money from George Soros.
बारी आई हरदीप पुरी की तो उन्होंने जवाब दिया। सुनिए उन्होंने क्या बताया।
Sourcing has risen to approximately 70% of crude imports, up from 55% before the conflict began. India sources crude from 40 countries as against 27 in 2006 and 7. This structural diversification, built through sustained policy over successive years, has given us options that other nations find themselves without. Refineries are operating at high capacity utilization. In several cases, they are exceeding 100%. There is no shortage of petrol, diesel, kerosene, ATF or fuel oil. The availability of petrol, diesel, aviation, turbine fuel, kerosene and fuel oil is fully assured. Retail outlets across the country are stocked and supply chains for these products are functioning normally. Additional allocation of PDS kerosene has been issued to all the states.
जैसा कि आपने सुना, वो कह रहे हैं कि केरोसिन, ईंधन, गैस, डीजल, पेट्रोल सब चीज उपलब्ध है, उपलब्धता उसकी सुनिश्चित की जा रही है। 40 देशों से आयात किया जा रहा है। परेशान होने की जरूरत नहीं, घबराने की जरूरत नहीं, बहुत जल्दी सब कुछ सामान्य हो जाएगा। आपकी क्या राय है कमेंट बॉक्स में जरूर बताइएगा। थैंक यू।